I'll just.
Hopefully that clears off.
I can see that. I can see enough out of it. Are you happy enough?
No, I'm grand. Yeah. I can see okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Tanagi Radio, Golf Charlie Lima, India November, take off runway 17, top field, Tandragee. Okay, power off. Okay. All good, keeping her straight. Up she goes. Direction's good, attitude's good. Golf Charlie Lima, India November, final for 3-1 Hilltop.
Was that a Sky Ranger was coming to your place, Mickey, there, Golf Hotel India? I think maybe a couple of Sky Rangers there. I see one in that direction, but it's saying it's 3,840 feet. Overhead joint, 900 feet, just circling overhead the airfield, waiting for the traffic to clear, and then I'll tell me which runway is in use, 13 or 31? 31. If you look at the turbines, the wind's always facing into the turbine. Yeah, I thought somebody said that, I thought somebody called one, I thought I heard somebody call 13 earlier. So 3-1 it is, thank you.
Yeah, we did a wind change, so we're on short final, Golf Charlie Lima, India November, 3-1.
Roger. Yeah, Golf Delta Mike Charlie India, we're going to right towards Hilltop here and land on 3-1. Golf Hotel India is at 3,900 feet. I'm going to descend just to the southeast, and then I'm going to join for a right-hand downwind for 1 Hilltop.
Golf Charlie Lima, India November, active runway vacated and shutting down. Golf Charlie Lima, India November, takeoff 3-1 Hilltop.
Yeah, Golf Charlie India departing Hilltop circuit and riding towards Skagmore.
$300 flaps up. Richard, we'll do an overhead join here for right base for 26.
We're just on time.
Golf Sierra Sierra, final. Golf Charlie Lima, India November, final 35, top field 100 gate.
Craig, correction on that one, you'll have to put her at the Charlie.
Roger that, Charlie, hold.
Route's up next, so it'll be okay.
Radio, Golf Charlie, Charlie, Mike Charlie, request radio check.
Readability 5 from Golf Charlie, Lima, India, November.
Also, Golf Charlie, Mike Charlie.
Stay off the grass. It's alright.
Perfect.
Right, Charlie then.
Good idea, Golf Charlie, Charlie, Mike Charlie at Bravo. We're holding for the landing traffic.